Before we get started, let me ask you this. Do you really need JavaScript for every component? Well, not always. In this video, we'll check out some cool built-in interactive features that you might think need JavaScript, but can actually be done using just HTML and CSS. Let's get started. First up, we have the details and summary HTML elements. These are built-in HTML features that create a simple toggle effect without any JavaScript. By combining them, you can easily build an accordion UI, which is commonly used for FAQs on websites. Next, we have the HTML popover attribute, a built-in method for creating popovers, modals, or tooltips natively in HTML and CSS without relying on JavaScript. So, what makes the popover attribute so cool? The popover attribute stays on top, closes on click outside, supports keyboard shortcuts, and links easily, all with just HTML. Next up, we have a simple checkbox input, but don't underestimate it. This little element can get rid of tons of JavaScript code. In CSS, by targeting the checked attribute, we can style elements dynamically, perfect for toggling menus, sidebars, and more, all without JavaScript. Finally, we have scroll-driven animations. These animations respond directly to scrolling, making your website feel interactive and dynamic. To create a scroll-driven animation using only CSS, you can use the scroll timeline and animation timeline properties. These allow animations to progress based on the user's scrolling behavior. However, keep in mind that this feature is currently supported only in the latest versions of Chrome and Edge browsers. With this, we've come to the end of the video, where we explored different web components that can be built without JavaScript. If you know any other cool ones, drop them in the comments below.